Hello and welcome to today's GibbsCAM Tech Tip, where we will explore ways to customize the user interface by docking panes. This feature allows the user to attach various dialog windows or panes to specific parts of the workspace for improved accessibility and workflow efficiency. There are many dialog windows that we open and close or leave on our workspace. However, we can convert some of them into what is called dockable panes and place them permanently within the user workspace. Some of the dockable panes are listed on the screen. Workgroups, CS List, and the body bag are common dialog windows that could potentially be opened and closed many times throughout a programming session if they are not permanently docked. Now we will convert these dialog windows into panes and dock them to the top, bottom, or sides of the workspace. First, we'll open Workgroup, CS List, and the body bag dialog windows. Click the direction arrow that is pointing to the right to convert it to a pane. We will do the same process for the next two windows. Now drag the pane and place it onto the outward pointing arrows to dock or into the center area to create a tab. These panes can be docked to the side of the workspace or floating on their own. When tabs are created, the tabs can be moved to the top or bottom of the window. To do this, we right-click on the tab section and choose top or bottom. Some examples of other windows I believe can be very beneficial while docked are Operation Manager and Copilot. Operation Manager because the runtime can be calculated instantly with the click of a button shown here. Copilot is another great choice because you can ask it questions as you program and receive quick answers. A great example of having important information instantly available is the ability to calculate the program cut time. We can click the Calculate button located here and see the cut time displayed in this column. As for the Copilot Assistant, you can type in your GibbsCAM related question and receive an answer while still programming. Here we'll type in docking panes and soon receive the answer or description. Once we start docking panes, we can start to rearrange the windows. We can resize them by hovering over the edge, and once we see this icon, we can drag them to different sizes. We can click in between them and reposition them. We can tab back and forth between the different tabs. And if we're not happy with our setup, we can easily just convert them back by dragging them off and clicking the left arrow. And it's now a dialog window. The new workspace layout is saved in the Windows User App Data Roaming folder and will follow the user to other computers on the same domain. If you have any questions setting this up, please feel free to reach out to your GibbsCAM reseller.